Tool theft has not slowed down since our 2019 video on one of these transits, so I suggest you get a bit of protection. Welcome back to Kleis Car Audio. My name is Connor, and today I'm going to run you through what we've done to this Transit Mk7 behind me, which had nothing else but the best in the alarm game, the Clifford Concept 650 Mark III. Most people know Clifford alarms already. They're quite renowned. They've been around for 30 plus years, but it's still the best system to put on this platform, and I'm going to go through the reasons why. First of all, the foremost is the deterrent system we have. So you walk anywhere near the front windows and it's going to chirp at the person that's trying to steal it and let them know it's got an alarm on it and not just a blue flashing LED. Hopefully they won't go any further, but if they do, they've got quite a few options for you. First of all, we have the shock sensor. Hit it hard enough, it's going to set the alarm off. And that is a dual stage shock sensor. So what that basically means is you hit it lightly, you're going to get a warn away beep. And if you hit it as hard as I just did, which by kicking the tire, because obviously you don't want to dent this person's van, it'll fully trigger the alarm off. So we've got full shock sensor protection around it, and we've got deterrent if you get too near the front two doors as well. We've actually fitted a high level reed switch at the top of the sliding door here. So if someone was to try and bend the door down, that's what sets it off. With a little bit of movement, the alarm's going to go off and hopefully stop them from peeling this door down and gaining entry and nicking the tools that way. Now what we've also done, if you come around the back, we've also put a high level reed switch at the top here. So just in case they decide to break in through the rear door by bending the door down at the top, it also sets the alarm off. So hopefully every single entry around here is fully protected. Okay, now what we're going to do now is we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you a little feature we've also added called anti-hijack blackjacks. But I need Max to get in the car. So now we're going to talk about what blackjacks does in the real world. So I'm in the driver's seat. You can imagine I've nicked the customer's keys with the remote and I'm going to go on a drive basically to reenact stealing this vehicle. Now one of two things needs to happen with anti-hijack. It needs to see brake pedal press, and it also needs to see a certain amount of RPM as you're driving, which is no different to how you normally drive. And then if I don't put my disarm sequence in, which is on the buttons just located here, then the vehicle is going to, at a safe distance, cut out down the road, which obviously is the whole idea of that is so you don't get yourself into confrontation with issue with the person that's just stolen your car. You let them take it, and then knowing that you can get your vehicle further back down the road. So what you're going to hear is you're going to hear 5 chirps from sirens. I don't know if I might picked it up, but what's basically happening is now is the alarm is warning me that I haven't put my anti-hijack code in. The lights are going to flash on the A pillars here to indicate there's an issue, and what you can't see is the brake lights and the hazards from behind the vehicle actually flashing to tell the people behind there's a problem. And then what do you know, the car cuts out, there's no engine on, the siren's going off, and you can grab the remote, you can push the button, it's not going to do nothing, okay? The only way of disengaging this system is to have the keys in ignition and put the personal pin code in on this little device here. It's going to put the customer's code in for now. I put the code in successfully, and now all my ignition lights have come on. I can now start the car. So the whole idea of that is to let them get far enough away so they don't come back for you and obviously force you to give them the code, and then you can just take your merry way down the road and get your car back again. Extremely good. It's probably the best form of security to protect your vehicle from theft and anti-hijack. So even if they nick your car keys, they're not going to get that far. So this is a Clifford Concept 650p fitted onto this Mk7 Transit. I've showed you the blackjacks, how it works. I've showed you the shock sensor. I've showed you the dual zone proximity sensor. So if anyone looks through the front two windows or gets too close, it lets them know it's got an alarm. And I've also shown you the high level reed switch on the sliding door and the rear door. That obviously if anyone was to bend the door down within 10 to 15 millimeters, the alarm's going to go off and give them an early warning that get away from it and leave the tools alone. Don't forget the super bright blue LEDs, which you should be able to see better now. It's starting to get dark here. So they're extremely good at deterring people. It's got obviously standard features like battery backup, dual point of mobilization, so it's an extremely secure system. We can fit this onto loads of other vans, and we've got other alarm systems that might be better suited for your van. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a like, drop a comment down below if you've got any questions about this system or a system for your van. But for now, it's Connor from Kleis Car Audio signing off.